Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a surprising and delightful combo that's not only tasty, but also a powerhouse for your skin and overall health: tomato and apple juice. You might be thinking, tomato and apple juice? Really? Trust me, mixing these two is a game changer. Let me break down why this dynamic duo deserves a spot in your diet. First off, let's talk nutrients. Tomato juice is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, plus a bunch of B vitamins. These are essential for everything from boosting your immune system to keeping your skin glowing. Apple juice, on the other hand, brings in its own set of goodies like vitamins C, A, E, and several B vitamins. This makes our mix a super drink that's rich in essential vitamins. But we don't stop at vitamins. Minerals are another highlight. Tomato juice is a great source of potassium, magnesium, and iron, which are vital for heart health and muscle function. Apple juice also packs in potassium and calcium, making this combo a fantastic source of essential minerals. Here's where it gets really interesting: the antioxidants. Tomatoes are famous for their lycopene, which not only gives them their red color, but also helps fight off those pesky free radicals that age your skin. Apples contribute their own antioxidants, like quercetin and catechin, which reduce inflammation and protect your skin from damage. So by drinking this mix, you're getting a double dose of skin protection. And let's not forget about fiber. If you don't strain your juices too much, you'll benefit from natural fiber that aids in digestion. Good digestion is key for clear, vibrant skin. So, keeping a bit of pulp in your juice isn't just good for texture, it's great for your health. To sum it up, here are the top benefits of our tomato and apple juice blend. Heart health. This mix helps lower bad cholesterol and supports healthy blood pressure. Hydration. Both juices are high in water content, keeping you hydrated and your skin plump. Weight management. Low in calories and filling, it's a perfect addition to a healthy diet. Skin health. Vitamins and antioxidants in both juices keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Want to up your game? Try adding a touch of mint or a sprinkle of black pepper to your juice. It enhances the flavor and adds extra health benefits. Remember, the key to great skin isn't just what you put on it, but also what you put in your body. This simple tomato and apple juice blend can be a delicious step towards better health and glowing skin. If you enjoyed this tip, hit that like button and subscribe for more skincare and wellness secrets. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite juice combo? See you next time.